20 famous quotes from the film The Warriors Part 2 1979. The Warriors is a 1979 action thriller directed by Walter Hill, set against the backdrop of a gritty, crime-ridden New York City. The film follows a street gang known as the Warriors, who are framed for the murder of Cyrus, the charismatic leader of the most powerful gang in the city. After Cyrus is assassinated during a massive meeting of New York's gangs, the Warriors must navigate their way back to their home turf in Coney Island, all while being pursued by rival gangs and the police. The movie is renowned for its depiction of urban decay and gang culture, presenting a hyper-stylized version of New York where each gang has a unique identity, complete with distinctive costumes and themes. The narrative unfolds over one intense night, capturing the Warriors' struggle for survival as they encounter various hostile groups, including the Baseball Furies, the Orphans, and the Rogues. The tension escalates as the Warriors fight their way through the city, trying to clear their name. The Warriors is celebrated for its memorable lines, iconic soundtrack, and its raw portrayal of the survival instinct, camaraderie, and the sense of brotherhood among the gang members. Gramercy Riff, we got a report from the Bronx. Some small-time clique ran into them. The Orphans. Masai, they're not in our network. Gramercy Riff, they rumble anyway. They got wasted. I'm not afraid of anything. Swan. We are gonna make it home. Fox. We are gonna have to fight our way out. Swan. We are gonna have to fight our way through. Ajax. We are gonna have to fight our way out. Swan. We are gonna have to fight our way through. Ajax. We are gonna have to fight our way out. Swan. We are gonna have to fight our way through. Ajax. We are gonna have to fight our way out. Swan. We are gonna have to fight our way through. Ajax. Cyrus, you're standing right now with 9 delegates from 100 gangs. And there's over 100 more. That's 20,000 hardcore members. 40,000, counting affiliates, and 20,000 more, not organized but ready to fight. Cowboy, so what about you? You ready to pop it? Luther, that's what we fought all night to get back to. Swan, why would you do it? Why would you waste Cyrus? Vermin, this is what we fought all night to get back to. Cyrus, now, there ain't but 20,000 police in the whole town. Can you dig it? Ajax, maybe we oughta pull a train on you. You look like you might even like it. Snow, I don't like the way he talks. Mercy, do you guys have any enemies? Radio DJ, good news, boppers. The big alert has been called off. It turns out that the early reports were wrong, all wrong. Now, for that group out there that had such a hard time getting home, sorry about that. I guess the only thing we can do is play you a song.